Do you know this building? This building is not any other building. It is Public Information Center located at Amri Block, West Carbinong, Assam. And the building was not satisfied by the public of Amri. Who will be the responsible of this building? Whether the public, local political leader, and Carbine Autonomous Council CM or any other EM. Why Amri was deemed under negligence of the Carbine Autonomous Council? Who will look after this? The public stated to the media person.
Voice of the Hills.